my channel Pearls of Medical Nutrition. Today I have brought you a new video in which we'll talk about best foods to control diabetes. Figuring out the best foods to eat when you have diabetes can be tough. That's because your main goal should be controlling your blood sugar levels. However, it's also important to eat foods that help prevent diabetes complications like heart diseases. Your diet can have a major role in preventing and managing diabetes. Here are the 16 best foods for people living with diabetes, both type 1 and type 2. Before starting my video, I request you all to subscribe and share my channel and stay updated for the next videos. Number 1. Fatty fish. Some people consider fatty fish to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Salmon, sardines, herring, anchovies and mackerel are great sources of the omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which have major benefits for heart health. Getting enough of these fats on a regular basis is especially important for people with diabetes who have an increased risk for heart disease and stroke. DHA and EPA protect the cells that line your blood vessels, reduce the markers of inflammation, and may help improve the way your arteries function. Research indicates that people who eat fatty fish regularly have a low risk for acute coronary syndrome, like heart attacks, and also are likely less to die from heart diseases. Studies show that eating fatty fish may also help regulate your blood sugar. Fish is also a great source of high-quality protein which helps you feel full and helps stabilize the blood sugar levels. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables are extremely nutritious and low in calories. They're also very low in digestible carbs or carbs absorbed by the body, so they won't significantly affect blood sugar levels. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are good sources of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C. Some evidence suggests that people with diabetes have lower vitamin C levels than people without diabetes and may have greater vitamin C requirements. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant and also has anti-inflammatory qualities. Increasing dietary intake of vitamin C-rich foods can also help people with diabetes increase their serum vitamin C levels while reducing inflammation and cellular damage. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados have less than 1 gram of sugar, few carbohydrates, a high fiber content, and healthy fats, so you don't have to worry about them raising your blood sugar levels. Avocado consumption is also associated with improved overall diet quality and significantly lower body weight and body mass index. This makes them an ideal snack for people with diabetes, especially since obesity increases your chances for developing diabetes. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs provide amazing health benefits. In fact, they're one of the best foods for keeping you full and satisfied in between meals. Regular egg consumption may also reduce your heart disease risk in several ways. Eggs decrease inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, increase your HDL, which is good cholesterol levels, and modify the size and shape of your LDL, which is bad cholesterol. What's more, some research suggests that eating eggs may reduce the risk of stroke. In addition, eggs are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that provide protection against eye diseases. Number 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a wonderful food for people with diabetes. They're extremely high in fiber yet low in digestible carbs. In fact, 11 of the 12 grams of carbs in a 28 gram, that means 1 ounce serving of chia seeds, are fiber, which doesn't raise blood sugar. The viscous fiber in chia seeds can actually lower your blood sugar level by slowing down the rate at which food moves through your gut and is absorbed. Chia seeds may help you achieve a healthy weight because fiber reduces hunger and makes you feel full. Chia seeds may also help maintain glycemia management in individuals with diabetes. Number 6. Beans. Beans are cheap, nutritious, and super healthy. Beans are a type of legume rich in B vitamins, beneficial minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, and fiber. They also have a very low glycemic index, which is important for managing diabetes. Beans may also help prevent diabetes. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great dairy choice for people with diabetes. Some research suggests that eating certain dairy products like yogurt may improve blood sugar management and reduce heart disease risk factors, perhaps partially due to the probiotics it contains. Additionally, yogurt may reduce your risk for diabetes. It may also help you lose weight, if that's a personal goal. The high levels of calcium, protein, and a special type of fat called conjugated linoleic acid found in yogurt may help reduce your appetite, making it easier to resist unhealthy foods. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are delicious and nutritious. All types of nuts contain fiber and are low in net carbs, although some have more than others. Here are the amounts of digestible carbs per 1 ounce serving of nuts. That is, almonds 2.6 grams, Brazil nuts 1.4 grams, and cashews 7.7 grams. Nuts may also help people with diabetes improve their heart health. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutritious vegetables around. A half cup of cooked broccoli contains only 27 calories and 3 grams of digestible carbs, along with important nutrients like vitamin C and magnesium. Broccoli may also help manage your blood sugar levels. Additionally, broccoli is another good source of lutein and zeaxanthin. These important antioxidants may help prevent eye diseases. Number 10. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is extremely beneficial for heart health. It contains oleic acid, a type of monosaturated fat that has been shown to improve glycemic management, reduce fasting and post-meal triglyceride levels, and have antioxidant properties. This is important because people with diabetes tend to have trouble managing blood sugar levels and have high triglyceride levels. Oleic acid may also stimulate the fullness hormone GLP-1. Extra virgin olive oil is unrefined, so it retains antioxidants and other properties that make it so healthy. Be sure to choose extra virgin olive oil from a reputable source. Number 11. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are an incredibly healthy food. Also known as common flax or linseeds, flax seeds have a high content of hearty, healthy omega-3 fats, fiber, and other unique plant compounds. A portion of their insoluble fiber is made up of lignans, which may help decrease heart disease risk and improve blood sugar management. Flax seeds may also help lower blood pressure. Plus, flax seeds are very high in viscous fiber, which improves gut health, insulin sensitivity, and feeling of fullness. Number 12. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has many health benefits. Although it's made from apples, the sugar in the fruit is fermented into acetic acid, and the resulting product contains less than 1 gram of carbs per tablespoon. It may also reduce blood sugar response by as much as 20% when consumed with meals containing carbs. Apple cider vinegar is believed to have many other healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet, begin with 1 teaspoon mixed in a glass of water each day. Increase to a maximum of 2 tablespoons per day. Number 13. Strawberries. Strawberries are one of the most nutritious fruits you can eat. They're high in antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which give them the red color. Anthocyanins have been shown to reduce cholesterol and insulin levels after a meal. They also improve blood sugar and heart disease risk factors for people with type 2 diabetes. Strawberries also contain polyphenols, which are beneficial plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Number 14. Garlic. For its tiny size and low calorie count, garlic is incredibly nutritious. 1 clove means 3 grams of raw garlic, which is roughly 4 calories, contains 2% manganese, 2% vitamin B6, 1% vitamin C, 1% selenium, and 0.06 grams of fiber. Research indicates that garlic contributes to improved blood sugar management and also help regulate cholesterol. Number 15. Squash. Squash, which has many varieties, is one of the healthiest vegetables around. The dense, filling food is fairly low in calories and has a low glycemic index. Winter varieties have a hard shell and include acorn, pumpkin, and butternut. Summer squash has a soft peel that can be eaten. The most common types are zucchini and Italian squash. Like most vegetables, squash contains beneficial antioxidants. Squash also has lower sugar level than sweet potatoes, making it a great alternative.